Spaceflight often looks effortless. We have a countdown, engines ignite, and a rocket disappears into the sky. And what we don't always see are the years of preparation that make those moments possible. Well, tonight we got a glimpse behind the curtain. During a hot fire test at Cape Canaveral, Florida, Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket erupted into a massive fireball visible for miles across Florida's Space Coast. It destroyed the vehicle as it prepared for a mission expected to launch within a few days. Thankfully, no injuries reported, and Blue Origin says all personnel are accounted for. The vehicle was scheduled to carry 48 Amazon LEO Kuiper internet satellites into orbit. But this wasn't a launch attempt. Before New Glenn could launch, it has to pass one final challenge. Engineers fill the rocket with propellant, they secure it to the launch pad, and they ignite the engines. And for a few moments, they're asking a simple but critical question: is this rocket truly ready to fly? The goal is to make sure that every system works together, because once a rocket leaves Earth, there's no second chances. So we need to find the problem before launch, and that's exactly what these tests are designed to do. New Glenn is Blue Origin's flagship orbital rocket and a key part of the company's plans to launch satellites and to support future space missions and to compete in an increasingly crowded launch market. Blue Origin says that the vehicle experienced an anomaly during testing. The cause still remains unknown, and investigators have just begun examining what went wrong. One of the biggest questions is how much damage the launch pad suffered. Launch infrastructure is incredibly complex, and repairs can take far longer than rebuilding another rocket. And while failures like this make headlines, they also are reminders of what space exploration really is. It's a process of asking difficult questions, testing bold ideas, and learning from setbacks. Every major rocket program, from Apollo to the commercial space era, has faced moments like this. And behind every rocket are thousands of people who have spent years trying to make the impossible possible. Spaceflight is difficult because the goal itself is extraordinary. We're attempting to build machines capable of escaping an entire planet. So while tonight a rocket was lost before it ever left Earth, but the pursuit that created it continues. Exploration has never been defined by the absence of failure. It's defined by what we learn, what we build next, and our willingness to keep reaching for places that we've never been.